Hello, welcome to Spreadsheets tutorial, how to do a sum function there and the average. In fact, all these up under here are all very similar. If you can do sum, you can do average, count, maximum number or minimum number. They're all very similar. So, what does a sum? I want to sum whatever's in this row and put the answer in there. First of all, click to where you want the answer. Not over there, not there, in the actual box. Then you go straight to Autosum, choose the function you want. For this example, it's sum. Highlight over the numbers from the middle of the number, start to the middle of the end number, and you should see some ants going around. It automatically puts the sum function in, and it puts the cell references in this case A22 to D22, which are those four numbers there. Click enter, hey presto, the answer's there. You do the same for the other ones, the same for the average ones, and in your exam or for future functions, choose whichever function you want. Max finds the highest number, min finds the lowest number. Count, well, you can try that and see what it does. Put your answers in there and click enter and it should come up with correct. Thank you for watching.